Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Mortal Kombat Omni Man 1 is not working, in this case I'll help you with the resolutions. Now the first resolution is obviously to check for the system requirements, and I always focus on the recommended system requirements, not the minimum ones. So you would need an i5 8400 CPU or plus, or Ryzen 5 3600. And if you have a newer gaming PC, then these would be the minimum requirements. You would definitely have these. Now the deal breaker, the bottleneck is with the RAM, because the RAM is 8 GB. For a person like me, I usually use a 16 GB RAM gaming computer, so this is not a significant system requirement. But if a player is playing this game on a relatively low end PC, or even on an i5 PC, but not with sufficient RAM, then he will face the issue. As for the graphic card requirements, they are very basic at 1080 Ti, and similarly for AMD. So the storage space needed is 100 GB. Now, if these system requirements are not met, then the question is which system requirement is not met. These five cannot be negotiated. But as for the space, you can free up a lot of space by deleting contents of the recycle bin. So simply open the recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin, and then search for disk cleanup. Open the disk cleanup tool, check all of these boxes. They occupy a lot of space, and then click on OK, and then click on delete files. Wait for the files to be deleted. Once this is done, you can also consider updating your system. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. Now click on advanced options. Click on optional updates. If any optional updates are available, please install those too. Lastly, what you can do is you can increase the RAM. Okay, even if it is 8 GB, you can increase it to 12 GB or 16 GB, and for that you will have to add extra RAM to your system. Now to check if you have slots for that, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar, and while playing the game, check if the RAM usage is touching 100%. If yes, then go to this section, performance, go to the memory tab and check how many slots you have. Like, oh, both of my slots are full, I have to have two slots, both of them are full. But if two out of four are full, then you can consider increasing the RAM. Isn't this easy and interesting? If this video gave you value, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.